Stack, 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 guys. Let's talk about this cryptocurrency. What's happening with it? Let's begin. So, if you have not seen this chart, guys, Stack has been basically taking some very painful losses. It had a high of $3.37, and now we're sitting at 34 cents. Like, we're talking about some massive, massive, painful losses. Now, if you're one of those traders that have been shorting this entire time, then you've been doing very, very good. Now, that's a good perspective coming out to the current trade that I'm talking about right now. Now, if you are a trader and you prefer trading over doing cash positions, this might be a good time. This is what I'm looking at, shorting this cryptocurrency to some very lower lows. Now, we're talking about it hitting down to about 15 cents. So that's a huge short position. Now, for people who have been buying and hodling, I don't think this is a good cryptocurrency, in my opinion, to hodl at all. Especially as how much pain people have been taking. Now, if you take out profits over here, maybe right here a little bit for a whole month, that's about it. But everything else, this cryptocurrency is going, in my opinion, much, much lower. And it might bounce a little off this 1 week right here. Like, there's some evidence of it having a bunch of buyers trying to pull out the area. And it might create a shadow, might head up a little bit higher. But I think ultimately, couple weeks sometime, we'll see this price heading back down to this area right here. Now, my price prediction is 15 cents. Now, if you guys are thinking of buying down there, for me, I wouldn't buy down there because I don't think it's going to head back up like a huge boom up. I think what it possibly will do is hit down to this area pretty fast, kind of like this area down here. But it possibly might hit this area of 15 cents and start going down slowly, like a slow grind down. And if you actually basically like a reverse, see how it's been building up right here? Think about that reverse wise, slowly heading down, lower and lower and lower. Now, I could be wrong about this cryptocurrency. It may head back up to higher highs. Sure, it's a good possibility, but I wouldn't bet my money on that. I think this long-term, this cryptocurrency, like most cryptocurrencies, they all think they have value. They all have something intrinsic about them, but they're typically not used other than capital appreciation. That's it. But if it does go down, good position for a short, but I don't see any real reason to buy. And I may be wrong. If I am wrong, I'll admit it on video like I've always done. But it would have to show a lot of evidence of bigger buyers entering, building up a lot of weeks or months of consistent up growth, some pullbacks here and there to see if people are interested in buying this. But overall, I see it going lower. My price target is 15 cents. But let's get into some of the details. Now, Stacks has 136,000 people in their watch, which is a pretty good amount of people to rebuy at the bottom. So I may be wrong. But, we'll see how it does. If you want to learn more about, their stuff, just go to the website, stacks.co. If you want to learn more social media, they have 136,000 followers on Twitter, so all the new information is out there. So they might have something coming out that's insane. That might, flip the script. And if you want to learn about trading, where to find this cryptocurrency, basically anything on top of 100 is going to be on most platforms. So check that out, guys. Also, look at my website, andrejmcclennan.com. You want to learn more about economy, gold and silver. I'm building a free education on there so people can check that out. And some programmer stuff for people who trade on MetaTrader 4 or 5. So please check that out, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Get this video out there. Help me beat the YouTube algorithm, and so more people can view this video. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.